What up, YouTube? Long time no see. So, plan on going for a hike today. It's Sunday, so it's been almost a week since we had a blizzard of 26 here. 3 feet of snow where I'm at, so no walking today. So I went to the wildlife area that I hunt at, figuring I could walk around there, do some scouting while I was there. But huge snow pile at the end of the road, but before I could even get to the gate to even get in there, so this will have to do. Pretty cool though. It's a little recreation area, little pond, a bunch of cranberry bogs in the area, and right across the street. So they probably actually I see a pump down the end, hose coming into the pond here. They use to flood the bogs out. So yeah, so just wanted to do an update, I guess that's what you want to call it. Say that I'm back. I got new cameras, new editing software. You might hear some cars. The road's just up the way here. But anyways, so yeah, new editing software. That's always the stuff that's giving me fits. I'm not a super tech guy by any stretch of the imagination, but we're gonna figure it out. So I got quite a few videos written down in my book to do as of now, but what I really want to do on my channel is a different style of videos than I've ever done. That's going to be a lot of work and stuff like that, but I think just the content of the video and the editing and all that stuff will be way better than, you know, some of the stuff I've done in the past. So I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully you guys are too. No, there's a ton here that have been asking me for years to shoot videos again. So I definitely been wanting to. It's a lot going on, you know, like all of you, I suppose. You know, divorce, moving, all that kind of thing. I just lost my dad recently, a couple weeks ago. So that's a new thing. Yeah, on a positive note, looking forward to shooting videos. Like I said, quite a few written down to do. And just gonna get after it. So the plan today was obviously check out the camera, the editing software, as well as, you know, give you guys a heads up that I was back or whatever. So that's gonna be it. So I have a knife video. Don't mind the grays, huh? Yeah, I'm aging as well. Hopefully like fine wine, but definitely got a knife video written down to do. Why not, right? Out of the frying pan into the fire. But just nothing crazy. Just kind of talk about what I still have. Maybe a new knife or two, but you know, something like that. And also a giveaway. I used to do a bunch of those, do challenges and stuff like that. I think a lot of people like that stuff, and got a lot of people involved, which is super cool. So I'm gonna do one of those as well. So I have a Mora HD. More Companion HD. I kind of kitted it out so that orange paracord is actually fire cord. I got a little compass there on the end, ferro rod. So this knife doesn't have a 90-degree spine, so you'd have to adjust that yourself in order to strike the ferro rod with it, or you can use the hole in the end of the ferro rod and just put a little striker on it yourself. Yeah, if I can find it, there it is. A little hole in the end there for a lanyard or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna come up with something, so there'll be a video on that, so stay tuned, and I'll get that knife given away. It's brand new. The only thing I did to it, I did put a patina on the blade, so it is a carbon steel one, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, if you're interested, stay tuned to that. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much. Again, just wanted to give you guys a heads up. You know, I'm back. I'm gonna start shooting videos, hopefully here on a regular basis, and try to do it full time. So with that said, you know, I'd love your help. Definitely need help. All the YouTubers do, right? If they're gonna, you know, get subscribers and earn money with the ads and all that stuff to get new equipment and whatever. Same shit we've always done. Same shit I did in the past too, you know. But that money helps, like I said, to buy new gear or whatever, and just put out new content. You know, whether it's new camera gear or whatever the case may be. So again, definitely would appreciate all the help I can get in that regard, as far as, you know, subscribing, liking the videos and all that stuff. to let the YouTube algorithm do its thing. That's a beast in itself, right? A lot of people complain about that, and I get it. But yeah, so that's about it. Like I said, I'm back, and looking forward to shooting some videos for you guys. So until the next one, take care.